Today we will start a new topic, demand and supply. The main objectives of this chapter is we can explain and know the concepts of demand and supply, and what are the various determinants of demand and supply. We will also discuss the factors that lead to shift in the demand and supply curve. At the same time, we will discuss how prices and output are determined in product markets through the interaction of demand and supply. Before understanding the concept of demand and supply, let me see what market is. A market is any institutional structure or mechanism that brings together buyers and sellers of particular goods and services. There are various types of markets. At the same time, in different market, price is determined with the interaction of supply and demand for a commodity. Let us start with demand. What is demand? In ordinary language, demand means a desire, but in economics, only that desire is demand which is backed by willingness to purchase and ability to pay. We can explain the concept of demand with the help of demand schedule and demand curve. This table shows how the demand for quantity of mangoes is related with the variation in the price of mangoes. If price is 60 rupees per kg, then the demand is only 1 kg. As price goes down from 60 to 50, quantity demanded increases from 1 kg to 2 kg. In this way, we are seeing that as prices goes down of a commodity, the demand for that commodity increases. In this graph, we are seeing that higher demand is associated with lower price, meaning that there is an inverse relationship between demand of a commodity. Basically, we here say quantity demanded of a commodity with the price of that commodity. Demand may be individual as well as market demand. There are various determinants of demand. Quantity demanded. Quantity demanded is a function of price of a commodity, price of the related commodity, income of the consumer, taste and preferences, and other factors like population growth, etc. Now we have completed the topic, what is demand and what are the various determinants of demand and what are the types of demand, individual demand and market demand. The next topic on supply we will do in our next class. Please do assignment on this topic using an hypothetical example. Thanks.